Hello everyone, this is my review of the Maxgroom professional hair clippers. These clippers are great for achieving a barbershop quality cut at home. This clipper set includes both a clipper and a trimmer, offering versatility for full haircuts, beard trimming, and touch-ups. This kit has everything needed to handle various grooming needs efficiently. It comes with a sleek, hard travel case, which is ideal for keeping all accessories organized and protected, and a apron to protect your clothes from all discarded hair. The first thing that stands out is the premium build quality and attention to detail. The clippers have a high-powered motor which is able to glide effortlessly through all hair types, thick, thin, straight, or curly, without any pulling or snagging. The motor is not only powerful, but also surprisingly quiet, which makes it a bonus for a smoother grooming experience. The blades are exceptionally sharp and durable, providing a precise and clean cut. The blades stay sharp longer than standard ones, which makes it easier for maintenance. I like the Cordless feature. It's another major plus. It gives you the freedom to move around without being restricted by a cord, and the battery life is solid. It lasts pretty long time on a single charge. Overall, it's fantastic investment, and I hope this review helps.